You might think that you need an exterminator to do the roach job you're dealing with, but I would tell you, you really don't. Why? Because everything we use, most everything we use, you can get as well. At least the stuff for roaches. You can get the bait, the spray, the gallon sprayer. You can check your house to see where the nest is. You can do all of this by yourself. You don't need anybody else. And turns out it'll be cheaper for you to do so. It will just require you to do more work. Then if you hire somebody else, you can hire them and not worry about it. But it's a chance for you and them to not work. And personally, if I pay somebody and it doesn't work, and I wasted like $1,000, but if I do it myself, wasted $500, $400, I will be like, okay, I still have the chemicals here. I can try again. But with them, they take the chemicals with them, and you can't try again. You have to pay them again or pay someone else to do it for you. And it's a repeating cycle over and over again of you trying to get rid of roaches. And I would just say you can do it yourself. Now, if you don't want to deal with chemicals, understandable. Pay somebody. But if you're the type of person who's ready to do it themselves, I just need a plan, I need a course of action to follow, I have that for you. I actually made that for you. It's a step-by-step process of everything you need to do to get rid of roaches effectively. And I'm doing this thing where the first 10 people can get it for free, because I actually want to see what I can improve on and add to it to make it better for people. So if you are one of those people who want to try it out, who wants to get rid of roaches on their own, leave a comment below and I will give it over to you. Like I said, the first 10 who actually text me will get that. Leave a comment below, we'll get that, and we'll just talk back and forth over the course of you doing that, free of charge. You get me in the course for free, and I will help you out until that problem is gone, or until there's a noticeable difference that you can say, wow, this is working. Now, I will say, it takes a minute. It takes a long time. Getting rid of roaches varies from person to person, depending how bad the infestation is for that person. It's gonna take up to 2, 3, or a year to get rid of roaches, depending how bad they are, right? But, like I said, if you're that person who wants that guidance from me, from that course, leave a comment below and I get over to you. So I'll see you guys later.